Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Hips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to back up your messages on your Fiverr. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to back up and store Fiverr messages, let's open up our Fiverr first. And after opening the Fiverr app, you can see the more button or the more option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on more and you will be able to see this interface of your account, where you can see the settings just below the start of group chat. Tap on settings, and on the top you can see the account category available over here. Tap on account, and there on the first option there is the Fiverr backup. Tap on Fiverr backup, and you can see auto backup off over here, and tap on auto backup daily or weekly or monthly as you like. Backup using Wi-Fi or mobile data, and after that include photos or not to include photos or the videos. You can see if you want to include photos and videos, tap on these toggle icons. And for the backup account, you can put any account over here available on your phone or your account. And there guys, this is how you back up messages on your Fiverr app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.